How to redeem reward points on your ANZ credit card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to redeem reward points on your ANZ credit card. So in order to redeem your reward point on ANZ credit card, you just have to follow the steps. So in that case, what you can do is you open up a browser and type in the link that is www.anz.com.au/personal credit card, how to redeem rewards. This is going to take you to the page where you can earn reward as well as redeem your points. So to redeem your points, you could use it as a way. You could redeem it in a gift card, or you could get the latest tech and home appliances. From the headphone speakers, all of these, you can see that this is how you can use your redemption points. Or otherwise, you could also collect it and you could use it in a bulk, and you could also go ahead and see how to jump to your reward points. So that is how you can redeem your reward points on ANZ credit card. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.